So SIP stands for Session Initiation Protocol. In a unified communications world with an IP PBX that's relatively new, there's a great opportunity that many have been capitalizing on, and that is reducing the number of telephone switches that they have across their corporate network. And that can absolutely be accelerated with the use of SIP trunking. But from a physical perspective, what does it look like? Well, it comes over an Ethernet jack, just like the kind you plug into your computer, right? So that it comes in, and it comes into your business on the same connection that all of the rest of your data does today. With a SIP trunk, it sort of rides on the data circuit like an application, so you're only paying for one. Customers are looking at ways of, again, consolidating architecture, being more efficient. Whereas you used to have maybe 6 different telephone switches at your branch offices across the country, now you can consolidate that into one with less management cost, less overhead, and the SIP trunk actually gives you all of the connectivity that you need into that primary location to serve your whole network. You can literally provide a virtual presence, if you will, or an appearance of your business across the country, even though physically you may have only one office or one place of business. People can call into your call center or into your business by dialing a local number in any part of Canada, and it will pop out at your equipment wherever your office may be, perhaps in Ottawa, and you take the call there. They don't know the difference. It's like you have a storefront in a remote city. So it can change the way you operate, right? It can increase your competitiveness, and it actually can provide a foundation for growing more and different kinds of IP-based voice and collaboration services. There's going to be a whole roadmap of development of things that are going to come over time. Things like high-definition conferencing and utilizing things like the internet for more and more of your voice and collaboration needs. So SIP trunking is like a foundational piece of that. So there's a lot of SIP trunking providers out there. If you go onto Google and you type that in, you're going to get an awful lot of hits. And you need to be a little bit careful because not all SIP trunking services are created equal. If you're going to entrust your business and the importance of your business to a service like that, you do need to be sure that what you're getting from whomever is providing it to you is secure, has quality, and is going to be a very predictable experience. The last thing you want to have is an unpredictable experience in your communications infrastructure. Why work with Allstream on SIP trunking? We're the market leader in Canada. Our SIP trunking service is wrapped with many of the things that you require for your peace of mind. So security, quality of service, making sure that your voice traffic doesn't get cut up when you're calling, when you've got poor voice quality, and management. We were the first of the major providers to come out with SIP trunking, and that was back in 2006. We've deployed many customers. We've learned a lot of things over the years on how to do it well, how to do it smoothly, and what customers really require out of a service like SIP trunking. Many of our SIP trunking customers have cut over from traditional networks onto SIP trunking, and their users haven't missed a beat.